scallops are going in. My food is absolutely amazing.
Where's the curry powder on there, Stacey? It's seasoned with salt and curry powder.
Where's the curry powder? There. Fuck.
Oh, come on.
Let's try it again. You got this.
Where are they?
Ready, I'm going. Yeah.
I asked you to season it with curry powder, you macerated them. Look at the seasoning there. Look at that. I mean, you're gonna blow someone's mind off. But the sad thing is, they're not even fucking cooked. They're raw. They're raw and stone cold. Fuck off, will you, yeah? Can someone show Stacey how to saute a scallop?
Yes, chef. I'm hard.
Where's the capellini?
I burned the pot, the shallot.
You burnt it?
Yes, chef.
Start the whole table again. Come on, guys.
Let's go, guys.
This one is burned the shallot, chef.
Again?
Yes,
You
chef.
burnt it 2 minutes ago.
Yes, chef.
Oh, come on, guys.
Sal's a cool guy, but something is really wrong with him mentally. I mean that too.
It's your first time here? Yep. Me too.
Potatoes, please. Unfucking believable. Look at this. I've got bits of fucking no cooking, overcooked, and that one there. Well, I can't even describe that one there. Come on, ladies. Fuck off, will you? Yeah.
No, he can't.
Oh, leave me alone. Leave me fucking alone. Just touch that there. Just all of you, put your fingers on there.
Cold, chef.
Yeah, there you go.
Yes. This is
Come
very
here, you.
cold.
Touch it. It's like cold cream on a fucking hot steak. Maria, madam, let me tell you something. There's nothing right now to laugh about. I can't get a steak potato, and there, she's on her 3rd time cooking scallops, and you think it's funny?
You're right. Right.
Now she's laughing again. What's funny then, Maria?
Chef, nothing's funny.
You're not laughing, no? You're seeing things. Hey, come here a minute. Yeah. Jamie.
Yes.
Hey. Fran, come here. You, come here. Hey. You. Fuck off out of here. We'll finish the service. Get out.
Just
You,
get out.
on me.
Chef, I'm not leaving my team,
I'm
chef.
telling you, if you don't get out, I'll drag you out. Get upstairs the door. Videos, recipes, demos is a fucking joke. Fuck off. Mikey, come here. Come here. There you go. Raw fucking halibut. Shit.
Chef Ramsay, it's the thing right in front of us. There was like halibut shrapnel all over us.
Raw. Shit.
Scott was making me look bad.
Good show.
Raw. Scallops. How long?
5 minutes, chef.
5 minutes. Get your rice in there.
Yes, chef.
You're cooking the risotto with no fucking rice in there. How's that possible?
Not possible, chef.
The fucking rice has to go in before the stock.
Yes, chef.
What's Salvatore doing? Put it down. It's a cold pan. You gotta get the pan hot first. This is basic now. You can't put fucking cold food into a cold pan. It absorbs the olive oil. So in the center of the potato, it's like eating a mouthful of grease.
Yes, chef. Sorry, chef.
There's 2 of you on there. How long? He's not even listening. Hey, do me a favor. Come here, you. Hey, you as well. Hey, where's fucking Smurf? Smurf, come here, you. You and you. Fuck off, will you? Get out. Piss off. I'm not gonna stand here and struggle time after time. Dawn, get out of here. Salmon, Wellington, yes? Let's
Yes,
go.
chef. Yes, chef. I need like 5 minutes.
Oh, come on, Stacey. How can I wait nearly 2 hours for an entree? Now you want 5 more minutes for the salmon.
3 minutes.
How long?
3 minutes.
3 minutes now. Why are you jumping all over the place? 5, 3. Tell me.
I'm not sure how long it's gonna take.
You're not sure.
No, chef.
Adam, come here.
Yes, chef.
Right now, I'm not too sure about you.
Sorry,
Full
chef.
fucking stop. Do me one big favor. Fuck off out of here. Join the rest of them. I'm not sure.
Halibut's raw.
Unbelievable. Mikey!
Yes, chef.
Come here! Again! Raw fucking halibut! Take that! Yeah? Do me a favour. Fuck off! Get out! Up to the fucking door to get your fucking hair done! Get out of my kitchen! What is going on? Come here! All of you, come here! Hurry up! You guys are fucking useless! You, over there, work together! Double up!
Yes, chef. Yes, chef.
Move your ass!
What do you...
I am not closing this down! I am not ready to celebrate because we shouldn't. Even though we had to merge both kitchens, I'm still gonna decide on a losing team. It's clear. The losing team tonight is the ladies. Behind all night, couldn't get going. Yeah, you suck. All of you. Okay, first nominee and why, please?
Chef, we nominated Stacy. We felt that service began badly and we just weren't able to recover.
Okay, second nominee and why?
We also nominated Fran.
Why?
She was kicked out of the kitchen. She wasn't able to redeem herself.
Let's go. Stacy and Fran, step forward. Fran,
Yes, Chef.
why do you think you should stay in Hell's Kitchen?
I don't think I did the worst today. I don't even really know why I was sent upstairs.
You couldn't even tell me the difference between lobster and crab. How many legs does a lobster have?
I was a kosher chef.
Oh.
I'm learning.
I need some fucking balls. I need some strength.
I got some balls, Chef.
Where are they?
I'll show them to you.
The person leaving Hell's Kitchen. Stacy. Give me a jacket and leave Hell's Kitchen. Now fuck off, will you? A lot of you. Get out!